Welcome, yogis. Today we're going to learn a sun salutation laying down on our back. So a supine sun sal. These are a gentle, easy version that you can do first thing in the morning while you're still laying in bed. So find a flat surface you can lay on, either a bed, couch, the floor, your yoga mat, and we'll make our way down to corpse pose all the way on our backs, laying comfortably. Hands can rest down at your sides, or you can place one hand on your belly, maybe one on your chest. And we'll just take a few breaths here to kind of tune in to the body and how we're feeling today. I like to open all of my yoga movements with 3 rounds of deep breath to help kind of clear out my nervous system. So we'll do that here. First round, take a big inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth. Sigh it out. Second one, inhale through the nose, fill the lungs, and exhale through the mouth. Let it all go. Let your body soften. Third and final breath here. We'll inhale and exhale. And then from here, you can relax your hands down and return to a normal breath. So starting with our first movement, we'll do a reverse snow angel type of movement with the arms. I call it a sun breath. So arms reach out, sweep up overhead, and if you can, the hands can come together. And then exhale, bring the hands down to the heart, and we'll pull both knees into our chest for wind reliever pose. Take a moment here. On your next exhale, let's lift the head, trying to draw the forehead toward the knees, tucking in tight like a ball. And then release head and shoulders back to the floor. Left leg can release all the way down, and we'll hug the right knee into the chest. Inhale, pull that left knee in again. And exhale, right knee can lengthen out, foot to the floor. And breathe here. And then finally, we'll bring both knees back to the chest. Lift the head, forehead towards the knees, squeezing in. Relax the head, relax the shoulders. Feet can return to the mat. So that was one supine sun sal. You can keep your knees bent, feet flat on the floor if that feels better on your lower back. Or we can lengthen out the legs, and we'll start again. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Option for hands to come together if you're able. If not, hands can be apart. We'll exhale, lower them down, bend the knees, reach out, hug the knees into the chest. Let's lift the forehead towards the knees, squeeze into a tight ball, and relax back down. Exhale as your left leg lengthens, right knee into the chest. Inhale, we'll pull the knee in, lift the head and tuck. Exhale, relax down, other side. And final one, pull both knees in, lift the forehead, tuck in tight. Relax the head and shoulders, feet return to the floor. And we'll settle in for a very short shavasana, just a little rest here. If you want to take what's called a constructive rest, you can wiggle your feet out a little wider, let the knees fall inward. Arms can relax down at your sides or on your belly to get in touch with your breath. Take a few moments here, maybe doing a body scan, starting at the head, drawing down the body with your mind, Not trying to change anything or fix anything. Nothing's good, nothing's bad. We're just assessing how we feel today and appreciating what we can do, letting go of what we can't do. We'll take one final big inhale through your nose. Exhale through the mouth and really sigh it out. Let it all go. And from here, you are ready to rise up and start your day, whether it's getting out of bed now or going to work, getting dressed, doing your chores, whatever it is, you found a little bit of movement and a little bit of me time. We'll see you next time. Namaste.